What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently two K dramas from the big brands SBCS and JTBCs. They are big production houses and they both go through a very huge backlash. And especially before talking about further, let's talk about the first one that went through a huge controversy because they said that like the Joseon, the drama, they recently aired two episodes also, and somehow they have to discontinue the shooting, and especially they also canceled the further production and all the shooting because of the historical distortion that they have created. According to the people around who are viewers, like they have gone through so much comments that why they just portray incompetent and it show them as insane, and they have moreover they also shown that the Chinese props that they have used it, and especially you are showing the Korean culture and you are using the Chinese props. It was not according to the historical facts and figures, and moreover the things that they have distorted is about the characterizations of the main leadership, so they have to say goodbye. That's what happened. And another one is all about the Blackpink actress. It's about Snowdrop. So Joseon Exorcist exited already, and now it's about Snowdrop. Are they going to drop out or they are not going? So the story revolves around 1980s at that time when the democratic movement was going on and there were students involved in that one. The more important thing is, before talking about it also, let's talk about also the comfort women issue also, that going with the Japan, they have to apologize every time because there is a history. You cannot distort it and you cannot mold it according to your demand where the victims are already. Also what happens is at that time the students, those who were involved in all this democratic movement, they think that the current leak of the plot has shown the distortion with the history. So sometimes it happens that the authorities, they just wanted to use someone as use someone's shoulder to fire the bullet so that they will not get blamed. So in this also what happened is Suho, lead character protagonist played by Jung Hae-yeon, he is a spy from North Korea and who comes and in the university, South Korean university, with blood over his body and all, he ran into the women's dormitory and he falls in love with the Youngju, Blackpink's Jisoo, and that's how their melodrama romanticism comes. No, but here they said that it is just like glorifying their own agencies and it is somehow like apologetic or something they have used it. But overall I think there is more than 100,000 petitions, people those have signed it, and to tell them to just cancel the shooting and no need to release this one because it's a distortion. The good thing is that the people are now more aware of the history, and it is not the time that where was only like TVs are working. Right now there is a more digital world and everything is on the cell phone. If one person will read, definitely other people will read, and that's happened with them also, and now they are all reading about the facts and figures. You know, it's the time that the people already have information on their fingertips, and if right now the people are good readers and they know if there is a controversy, there are plenty of people those who will read it. And you know, Jisoo from Blackpink, she has a huge fan following, and the actors bear a responsibility also when they become icon and they have they are star. They really need to bear the responsibility. I hope you will really like it. So kindly. Let's see what happens with them and see what is the outcome of all this. So kindly like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. And just a synopsis to reveal further, see what happens and what they have done it. It's up to them. Are they going to stop it or are they going to keep continue it? Let's see. So have a great week. Bye bye. Have a great week. Bye bye.